Good morning, guys, and welcome to another day in my life. Today I have a few things planned and I'm super excited because I'm actually getting my hair cut for the first time in 2 years, and so I'm just gonna bring you guys with me along for the day. After breakfast, I'm getting ready for the gym, so I'm just getting my outfit on. I'm fixing my hair, trying to look presentable. You know, I don't want to be looking crusty at the gym. And yeah, deodorant, and I'm good to go. I'm on my way to the gym right now. I'm literally on E, so I'm really hoping that I actually make it there, you know, hoping I survive. I am so excited today. Oh my gosh, I'm excited and I'm nervous. I'm mostly excited. Today, I'm getting my hair cut by a professional. Trying to go to training minimum twice a week. It's hard. Honestly, working out is very difficult. This is not easy, but I feel so good when I do it. I just feel so accomplished and so like healthy when I work out. And I mean, honestly, I really truly do. Like, I feel so much better. And yeah, so it's something that I'm really trying to get more into. Stop for some gas because I literally had 0 gas in my tank. Bruh, do you see that? Not okay. I ordered an acai bowl before I left the gym, and so right now I think that it's already here. I just got this package from Chewy, and I bought some stuff for my cats because obviously, you know, that's what you do. Come on. Come here. Get it. He likes it. I'm actually really excited to take a shower because I'm going to be using the Amika Kure-All Strength and Repair Set. Thank you to Amika for actually sponsoring this video, and I have always wanted to try this, so I'm so freaking excited. So let me like unbox this for you guys. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest packaging ever. It's like a little pizza box. Best hair delivery. The products in this set, they're actually clinically proven to repair damage and to strengthen your hair. It comes with the Intense Bond Repair Mask, the shampoo, of course, and the multitask repair treatment. And do you really have curly hair if you don't just find random bobby pins in your hair? Because same. So of course I'm going in first with the shampoo, and this shampoo, I kid you not, this shampoo is bomb. I didn't know what to expect with this shampoo, but my hair felt so moisturized after. And I think it's because their formulas are packed with Bond Cure technology. It contains vegan proteins and plant butters. And to follow up, I go in with the Kure Intense Bond Repair Mask. And I love this mask because it's just really good for deep conditioning, and that's exactly what my curls need right now. And finishing off with the Multitask Repair Treatment. This is a really interesting product and I really liked it, especially like only rinsing out a little bit and leaving it in. By the way, make sure to check the description box down below to learn more and check out Amika's new holiday collection. They're available at loveamika.com, Amazon, and certain salons. And once I'm at the shower, I'm just finishing up with my skincare routine. So now I'm just gonna quickly do my hair. And I also wanted to touch on like if I'm getting a haircut, why I'm doing my hair, which it kind of seems weird that I would do my hair before I'm getting my hair done. But basically when you go to like certain curly hair salons, your hair needs to be kind of like in its natural state. It can't be brushed out or like been in like a bun all day, because when they cut your hair curly, they need to see how the curls kind of lie naturally. So that way you can ensure that you're getting like the best possible haircut. Every stylist is different, but the one that I go to, he specifically requests like no shea butter in your hair. You can't use like really thick styling gels. Like anything that's gonna just make your hair like have a lot of buildup or anything, he doesn't like to work on. So I'm just gonna use like a curl cream and like a really light gel just to get my curls defined, but not like overly hard. I am about to head into the salon right now. Like I said, I styled my hair so they can see my curls, but I just wanted to kind of tell you guys like what I'm going for. Like I'm looking to just keep my length, but just get like a little bit more volume, you know? I just feel like the volume is just not there anymore. Like it's just so flat. What I love about Capella Salon, when you say do not cut a lot of my hair, they actually listen and they don't cut a lot of your hair. So this is the before of my hair, which honestly, it doesn't look too bad. I thought my hair looked a lot worse. I didn't realize that, you know, my DIY cuts at home, you know, I was actually getting my hair looking pretty good. Shy, he does curl by curl cuts. I couldn't film too much because, you know, it's kind of his secret technique. He doesn't really like to be on camera to show that. But yeah, it's curl by curl. The cut took like an hour and 30 minutes. Just got my hair cut. This is what the shape looks like. A lot of volume. All right, I'm about to get started. I've learned how to style my hair at curly hair salons, and I always style my hair soaking wet, and that's what I teach you guys, and that's exactly what they did for my hair today. And then they just diffused my hair and fluffed it a little bit, and this is the final look. Finally got my nails done. Hallelujah. I wanted to come back full glam the next day to show you guys what the cut looks like on day 2. I feel like my hair was kind of looking a little bit flat. This is what the cut looks like. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I love the volume. I just wanted like more layers just to kind of give that, you know, fuller look, more voluminous shape. This is what the back looks like. And this is the hair. Oh my gosh, I don't even really have that many like blonde pieces in my hair anymore, which is crazy. Like I just kind of have the tips just a little bit, but I don't know. Are we liking dark hair, Lisette? Not really sure how I feel about it. Not really sure if I'm gonna cut off the blonde completely. I think I just want to do like a natural sun-kissed look, something that's easy to grow out. You know, loving the volume, loving the shape. I just needed this. I needed this for myself. Like I really actually needed this. But we come to the end of this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. If you liked it, then please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.